到底係咩問題呢？
就是早上7點，你有病啊！
對哦，點解呢？點解呢？它為什麼不好？
上一期才說到車壞了修不好，所以這一臉的愁容就知道這驴肯定很難受。
我好多年沒搭過公車了，現在要去坐一趟公車，我都不知道公車價格是多少，還有大概20多分鐘車就會到了。哎呀，死雞防火爐，嘛都唔使嘈，到底是什麼問題呀？快點，公車時間要過了，我感覺公車要過，快點。No！等等我！现在这个灯还是红灯，大哥！真的，我感觉在加拿大没有车真的寸步难行。你稍微住远一点，那个车真的是你一等就等半个小时，或者是40幾分鐘，有時候車還會晚點，或者是直接過了，那真的沒辦法。唉。好在今天可以給我的這個啤酒肚減肥。哎呀，走過去吧，繼續等吧。沒車，車送去修了，只能這樣。
在等車的期間，去了趟附近的銀行。可多倫多的夏天似乎情緒很不穩定，所謂屋漏偏逢連夜雨。我被困在了此地，又錯過了一班車。唉，這雨要下到什麼時候呀？好在1個小時後，終於坐上了前往13 Motorsport 的班車。店主Luke人十分好，第一次出現在本頻道的時候是在 Cayuga 賽道，店面也十分井井有條，給人一種十分可靠的感覺。在商討的時候，我一直認為是線束的問題，而 Luke 認為是機械的問題。那麼專業的事情還是交給專業人來辦。又過了1周後，接到了他們的電話，被告知車的問題解決了。
Alright, today my car is already done, so we are heading to 13 Motorsport。
在此也特别感谢观众老爷们就此车的问题一直在评论区帮我出谋划策。Luke 呢，把所有的问题一一排查，最后发现原来是 Pulse Plate 被之前那家无良商家装错了。
What's up, peeps? VTech Day at 13 Motorsports. You got this beautiful Honda Civic Type R. Came in for a very, very interesting issue. Had me ready to blow my brains out. P1009 over advanced. Checked everything on the thing. Timing was slightly off. The two fixed that. Still had the same issue. So upon further diagnostic, I guess the shop that previously installed the camshaft was able to tighten down the pulse plate, not in the keyway. So they jammed it on there and the keyway was slightly off. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. But anyway, it's a good opportunity to let you guys know. Sometimes you bring the car in and you want to know how much you got to spend. We're billing by the hour for the diagnostic, right? So however much time we take, that's what you can expect. And there's no really any true answer, right? So good idea, you tell us what your budget is ahead of time so we can kind of cap it off somewhere. Maybe we make some progress, maybe we don't. But essentially we're fixing someone else's mistake. No idea where to start, no idea where it's going to end. So just be fair and reasonable and get it fixed. Now we're going to rip some tech.
谁能想到这么基本的东西都会装错？难怪当时怎么都找不到问题。本想着给他们留点面子， 但是朋友们告诉我不必再忍。俗话说，忍一时越想越气，退一步越想越亏。我差点都忘记自己是一个自媒体了，所以干脆点，干就完了。还记得之前那家把我车放在外面2年的店家吗？没错，就是位于 Markham J 开头的某家店。当初看到人家 EP3 整台改，又从 FK8 玩到 FL5，到现在还玩越野，店家说他们有多懂车呢，以为好厉害呢。然而这家店呢，还顺便把 Pulse Plate 装错了角度，然后硬装上去。Timing 做错 ，Pulse Plate 装错 ，Intake Manifold Low Coolant 进气装错 ，Engine Cover 螺丝打断 ，Engine Head 缺螺丝。而店家解决问题的态度，只是勉强赔个600块钱就算了，还要求我向他们学习，多记得别人的好。呵呵，学习你们如何坑人吗？要知道我解决这家店所犯下的所有错误，可是花了5000刀呢，外加他们之前给我做的一坨大便也是5000刀，意思是钱没少给，还得花1万刀记住他们的好，还给我说车放门口2年，停车费1天就要收60块啦。我把车放过去的时候怎么没听你说过呀？工期拖了2年，我还得付停车费的意思咯？这就是对待客户的态度吗？啊，抱歉，可能从来没把我当客户看吧。检查出来了问题，他们还说你觉得有问题，不是应该拿回来吗？那请问2年的时间里都没有做好的东西，谁又还敢拿回去呢？哎，就这种逻辑也是没谁了。期间还告诉我说，车拖过去 Dyno Tune， 人家没 Tune 是 Sensor 的问题，拖没拖过去我是不知道，拖车费可是找我要了。但即使是拖过去了，人家一看也肯定会告诉他们这车有问题，Tune不了。所以明明知道有问题，难怪一直还强调说换了 Cam 不 Tune 不能踩，他命有问题，肯定是你踩了。幸好我们信这种鬼话，不然爆了引擎，他们肯定会倒打一拍。跟你说过了，你踩爆了，关我什么事？哈哈哈哈！真当别人都是傻子。他们还问我为什么后来好多人都不去了。现在我总算知道为什么大家都不去了吧？妈的，啥也不是，草。事实证明 Google Review 这玩意也不准啊。完了，这家店还给我说，玩车就要开心，不开心还玩干嘛？
你在教我做事啊？
对呀，我的不开心就是你们造成的哦。那你们赶紧关门倒闭吧，我就开心了呀。好在车最后给30 Motorsport 修好了 ，Luke 也带我试了试车。
My first drive, I didn't drive.
You didn't drive it?
Much better.
Much better.
Needs alignment.
Alignment issue?
Yeah, just a little.
When I got my spacer, I ordered the 10mm spacer with the center hub. And that one, I'll bring it to you either tomorrow or next week. And then we do the alignment.
Why are you reversing?
Bruh.
Brampton.
I didn't say that.
I said it. I live here. I was
A lot better, right? How's the handling?
It feels good, man.
Yeah. It's all hard race. Yeah.
Oh, that's right. I saw the control arm.
Yeah.
Not a lot of. It's a little lean. So don't drive it too hard until you tune it.
Drive it too hard.
Don't beat on it.
Okay.
Get it tuned first. Because when I was accelerating hard, I could see the air fuel ratio is going to 15 to 1. It's too lean. It's gonna get hot and have a problem.
Okay.
Drive it around. Don't blow it up.
Alright, don't
And
believe it.
It'll get way more power too. when
Yes. Yes.
现在车没问题了，于是约时间 tune 车，大家都给我推荐本地网红 Tuning by Nick。 啊！我突然想起来，之前位于 Markham 某 J 开头的店家，某 V 开头的人还给我说过，Tuning by Nick 不行的。于是乎，我就约了本地网红 Tuning by Nick。终于可以去痛车了。哎，等一下，为什么我怎么讲的这么像痛车？是吞车，对。今天去拉个马力机，看一下这一个改装的 Combo 能到多少匹，咱们拭目以待。Okay, today I'm here tuning by Nick to my CSX Type S. Let's see what's going on. How many horsepower my baby can get? Nick 人十分随和，那台 K20 Turbo 移植997就是他的作品，也能看到他店里等待 K 系移植的各种保时捷，不像是不行吧？既专业又不贵，还不会给我讲那么些干话。以后可以和别人讲个笑话，把我车弄坏的位于 Markham 某 J 开头的店某 V 开头的人给我说别人不行。于是就在一个风和日丽的早上，我们将车 Dyno Tuned。So final result, 236 horsepower and the maximum torque is 166 pound-feet. Pretty good.
Worked out well.
Thanks a lot. I didn't expect that.
No?
I thought it was like 220 something.
No, this is good. And the craft is really nice, smooth, linear. I think I'm very happy with it.
Heard that? Come to Tuning by Nick, okay? 但玩车之路哪有那么简短？欲知后续如何，台湾观众老爷们别忘记了3年以后，大家在北美遇到什么不公的事情，请随时联系本频道，本频道也十分乐意为大家曝光。我们下期见。